VXRT Stock Analysis to Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. So I've been looking at Vaxart Incorporated and I see the price just melting down. I'm not saying this in a bad way or anything, but it just, it's just one heck of a bearish falling needle. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack, but when I'm trying to look for that long, right? But it's never just going to be the long side as of right now. Well, like once I made this prediction right here, this was made, bro, it was hitting 78 cents 3 months ago, 3rd of January. Since then, it just began melting. And all it did, it just kept melting. In this instance, I'm just going to get rid of this. So I got that proof, so we're on to the next one. There you go. Only if the price does show me a shift of any sort am I going to look to take it down. Other than that, random selling? No. I would much rather follow my strategy rather than trying to reinvent the wheel. Right? So, let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean weight, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter. Goodbye and enjoy.